The candle is born. Now it must be dressed for the world.
From fire and wax, through machines and miles to this moment, a simple candle, an extraordinary journey.
Before light is born, we gather the foundation, raw wax, waiting to be transformed. Every candle begins here. Tons of pure paraffin, measured with precision.
Quality is non-negotiable. Only the purest wax enters our process.
From massive blocks to manageable pieces, preparation is an art. The journey upward begins, toward heat, toward transformation. Gravity feeds the furnace. The transformation is about to begin.
Melting cycle initiated.
Fire awakens, the ancient dance of solid becoming liquid.
Solid surrenders to flame. Patience turns stone to silk.
Trust, but verify. Every degree, every second measured.
Sample viscosity is good at 98.
Recording approval. Batch clear for filtration.
QC confirmed, moving to next stage.
Filter pressure normal.
Tank 3, ready for pigment addition.
Batch color specifications require exactly 200 grams of red. Understood.
Safety protocols confirmed. Proceeding with measurement.
Red batch, 25 grams confirmed.
Perfect match.
Batch approved for molding.
Blue batch at 400 grams.
Yellow scale calibrated, starting pour.
Green tank ready for transfer.
4 forges burning. Red, blue, yellow, green. The palette of light itself.
Pigment introduced.
All color batches approved for production.
4 hues perfected. Now the real work begins. 1,000 empty vessels wait, each one destined to hold light.
The first kindness, a gentle coating, so the candle will release when time comes.
At the heart of every candle, a thread of cotton, the path for flame to travel.
Wick insertion optimal.
Fill rate perfect.
92 degrees, 8 seconds, 1 perfect pour. Geometry.
4 rivers of color flow, each finding its vessel, each beginning its journey to light.
Through the tunnel of transformation, heat surrenders, structure emerges.
Patience in cooling. Rushed heat creates cracked dreams. Temperature optimal, 27 to 29 degrees.
When the thermometer speaks truth, our hands confirm. Solid, ready, perfect.
Machines inherit the work. What hands once did, steel now perfects.
Clean extraction.
Born from its shell, the candle sees light for the first time.
Every flaw reveals itself under scrutiny. Perfection is earned, not assumed.
Trim height verified.
6 millimeters, not 5, not 7. The flame's first breath demands precision.
Polished, cooled, perfected. The candle is born. Now it must be dressed for the world.
Paper becomes skin, protecting beauty while revealing it.
Red batch
Batch labels confirm.
Identity declared. Every candle knows its name, its purpose, its promise.
What the eye cannot see.
Sleeve tension optimal.
Layers of care, protection upon protection.
4 rivers become one. Color and care converging toward a single destination.
Origami of commerce. Flat becomes form, awaiting its treasure.
Box prep pace optimal.
Nested perfectly, every candle finds its throne.
Sealed and sacred, untouched until the customer's hands break the bond. Strength to contain, 12 lights bound for one journey.
7, 8, 9. Order within order. Geometry serves efficiency. Efficiency serves quality.
Bound for the world. Each case a promise kept. Each label a destination.
4 colors, 1 rhythm. The factory breathes with coordinated purpose.
Pallet build optimal.
Steel hands never tire, placing each case with mathematical perfection.
60 cases, 700 pounds, 1 tower of light, ready to travel.
Initiating wrap sequence pallet P1.
The ancient art of binding, now perfected by machine.
Wrap tension optimal.
17 revolutions, 60 feet of film. Protection becomes transparent armor.
Pallet P1 assigned to shipment S047.
Sealed and addressed, every pallet knows its destiny before the journey begins.
Transporting P1 to storage zone B.
Yellow steel carries the fruits of labor, from production to patience.
B14 placement complete.
Among hundreds, each pallet waits. Organized chaos in the temple of commerce.
A stillness between creation and consumption, where patience becomes strategy. Dawn breaks on distribution day. The factory's heartbeat pulses outward.
Bay 1 ready for load. Bay 2 staging. Bay 3 15 minutes.
The first of 30, each placement calculated for balance, for safety, for efficiency.
Forward, steady.
Bay 1 load secured. Documentation complete.
Trust the strap. Verify the load. Lives depend on what we secure today.
Manifest received. 30 pallets verified.
Bay 1 departure in 2 minutes.
Ink becomes contract. Responsibility transfers from our hands to his.
Bay 1 sealed. Seal number confirmed. From our hands to the highway, 1,000 lights begin their journey to warm 1,000 homes.
Back, steady.
Lumina Candles delivery, Bay 7.
500 kilometers traveled. The journey pauses, but purpose continues. Seal intact, verified. Load condition excellent.
Seal verified. Beginning unload.
Integrity proven. Every seal tells the truth of the journey. Pallet 1 of 30 received.
New hands, same care. The chain of responsibility never breaks. From bulk to boutique, each candle finding its perfect market.
8 stops. Start at Zamzama Street, finish at Clifton.
The final mile begins, from warehouse to window, where candles meet their customers. From fire and wax, through machines and miles to this moment, a simple candle, an extraordinary journey.
This one is absolutely beautiful.
Yes, I love the color too.
40-hour burn time, natural wax, perfect. The moment of choice, where craftsmanship meets appreciation.
Excellent choice, ma'am. These are very popular.
Thank you so much. Do you have gift boxes available?
Yes, sir. Complimentary with 4 pieces. Transaction complete. I'm so excited to light these tonight.
They'll be perfect in the living room.
And the fragrance is completely natural too.
Happy birthday, dear Zara. Happy birthday to you. Now, Moet